All right, so I'm going to do a quick analysis on Nasdaq E-mini futures, which is the NQ continuous contract. So you can see a position here. Basically, it's just a position I'm in currently as part of the Leap paper trading competition, which you can see down here, paper trading. Okay, it's part of the Leap. I have my entry and I have the possible targets. First target being down here, but I'm going to try for a at least top 25 position in the competition. So I'm not putting a stop loss. If I don't get it, that's fine. But this is not an actual live account. If not, I would have a stop loss or at least, very good risk management. So I'm very confident about this target. Okay, this buy side liquidity equal highs. I'm on, and potentially the ones up here as well. Okay, potentially new highs on NQ. I say that because, okay, first of all, for one, we came down here, which was pretty much exactly 50% of the range, retesting this high, and obviously it's very bullish, very strong momentum. There's no imbalance or liquidity. There's liquidity up here, but there's no imbalance. So it would be quite odd to come up here, create these bullish PD arrays on a candle basis, and then, come down. It wouldn't make much sense. So that's my opinion right now. A black swan event could do that, but I think we should at least come and take out the all-time high first by a reasonable amount, based on how much consolidation has happened, based on, the relative scale of this chart. Should maybe come around maybe a 3-2, something like that. Okay, I'm not the expert at predicting where price is going to stop and making all-time highs. I don't have that information, and I'm not going to pretend like I do. But I do see the equal highs here. That's why I have this position in here, and I ate the drawdown. Okay, I ate this drawdown because it wasn't going to go much lower. We had a candle push up, and we touched down here in this reclaim order block 1 and 2 on the 2-day. So the 2-day looks very nice. If we close the 2-day bullishly in the next 16 hours or so, then, okay, this is pending, right? Then we would have another candle order block, change in the state of delivery, whatever you want to call it. And that should allow us to push all the way to F, taking out this consolidation, but there's no structure here. So it should be relatively low resistance, I think, in my opinion. Let's go to the lower time frame just to have a look. Yeah, so you can see 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and then this one in classic fashion, taking out a high over here and then getting rejected, pushing down, and then, pushing up almost immediately. I had additional targets, possibly lower, but knowing how much of a magnet these equal highs are, I didn't really want to endure missing price moving up and trying to wait down here. Okay, so anyway, price moving up, and should take out its equal highs nicely, and then we have the equal highs here as well, as you can see more clearly, touching this way, but also 1, 2, very clean. I should be targeting higher, to be honest. I should clear that out. I'm pretty confident on this target, but safe as possible would be something like here. It coming all the way up to take out these equal highs, but getting rejected over here as it makes another pair of equal highs, and maybe we get something like this. We get a small rejection and then push up, but we may get a bigger rejection and then push up. Is completely possible. I'm just saying it's a lot safer here, but we should make AF, I think, all-time highs. just gonna leave it somewhere up there. I'll change it as we go. But I think just even leaving it here, it's going to secure me top 25 in the leap. All right, so yeah, that's it. That's it for this analysis. Pretty simple. If we close the 2-day like this, I'll be really confident for us to move higher. If we go up and we close the 2-day a bit lower, okay, then I might be anticipating us coming into the fair value gap that is here, as you can see, on the 2-day as well. So we'll see how this candle closes. Basically, I wanted to close above this black candle. If it closes a little bit lower, a little bit ugly, but if it closes even above this green candle, that would look really nice. If it closes all the way up here, then, you know, that goes without saying that it should push higher. So yeah, that's what I have. And it's simple as that. And one might ask, like, how about my entry? How do I know where not to get stopped out? You do this on a slightly lower time frame. I don't have the multiple, but let's say we divide by 4, we get 12 hours. You know, we can try and find an entry. Here it left a lot of imbalance. But the entry is all over the place. The thing is, this move has passed, so taking an entry here again is, you know, maybe not so possible, but we'll see. But basically, I'm looking for something that you would see like this, but on the lower time frame. If you're used to a bearish point of view, you get that. And each candle is doing something. We get this green candle close. We came down, touch here. Now we get the green candle up. It took out the previous day's low, which was very close to its gap in the open. And we're just like pushing up. Today we are pushing up here. We gapped up, pushed down. So let's see where we go to. And yeah, keep you posted on any further development. Toodaloo.